Flooring Yonkers, New York. Find the perfect floor for every room. When it comes to upgrading your home, choosing the right flooring in Yonkers, New York is one of the most impactful decisions you can make. Whether you're after the timeless elegance of wood or the practicality of vinyl, your floor sets the tone for your space. At Z for Flooring, we help homeowners in Yonkers find beautiful, durable, and affordable flooring solutions tailored to every lifestyle. Why choose engineered hardwood flooring? Engineered hardwood flooring Yonkers, New York remains a favorite among Yonkers homeowners for its natural warmth, long lifespan, and resale value. Whether you prefer a modern or rustic look, wood offers a variety of styles, species, and finishes to suit any room. Popular hardwood species in Yonkers: oak, durable, versatile, and timeless. Maple, subtle grain, and light tone. Sand, hickory, distinct patterns, and high durability. What makes vinyl flooring Yonkers NY so popular? Vinyl flooring Yonkers, New York is quickly becoming one of the most popular options in Yonkers NY flooring stores, thanks to its affordability, waterproof features, and realistic wood or stone designs. Luxury vinyl plank LVP versus luxury vinyl tile LVT. LVP mimics the look of hardwood and is perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. LVT offers the appearance of tile and is ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. Whether you're drawn to the natural beauty of wood flooring Yonkers, New York, the durability of engineered hardwood, or the versatility of vinyl and waterproof flooring, Z for Flooring has the perfect option for your home. With expert advice, high-quality materials, and professional installation, we make finding the right floor easy and stress-free. Ready to upgrade your floors in Yonkers? Contact Z for Flooring today at 213-0030 to schedule your consultation and explore the best selection of flooring in Yonkers, New York.